The world of electric vehicles is evolving, and in 2025, luxury electric sedans are setting new standards for performance, comfort, and innovation. These vehicles aren't just about eco-friendliness, they combine the elegance and sophistication we expect from top-tier luxury brands. In this video, we'll explore the most anticipated luxury electric sedans that are redefining the road in 2025. Let's dive into the ultimate showdown. Tesla's flagship sedan, the Model S Plaid, remains one of the most impressive vehicles on the market with 1,020 horsepower. With a 396-mile range and record-breaking 0-60 acceleration in just 1.99 seconds, it features premium materials and a large touchscreen display. The Tesla Model S Plaid offers a perfect blend of extreme performance and cutting-edge technology with autopilot and full self-driving capability. The Audi e-tron GT brings luxury, performance and sustainability to the forefront with 637 horsepower in the RS variant. With a 238-mile range and 0-60 in 3.1 seconds, it can charge to 80% in about 22 minutes with fast charging. The Lucid Air Dream Edition is a game-changer, offering incredible range and luxury with 1,111 horsepower. With an EPA estimated 520-mile range and 0-60 in 2.5 seconds, it features handcrafted materials and a spacious cabin. The BMW Y7 is the German automaker's flagship luxury EV sedan with 536 horsepower and 318-mile range. With 0-60 in 4.5 seconds, it offers executive lounge seating, premium audio, and BMW iDrive 8 with Level 3 autonomous driving. The future of luxury electric sedans includes solid-state batteries, full autonomy, and increased personalization using AI technology. With sustainable materials like vegan leather and recycled fabrics becoming the norm, the future looks greener and smarter than ever. Luxury electric sedans of 2025 are leading the charge towards a greener, more sustainable future, combining cutting-edge technology with exhilarating performance. Which one is your dream car? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on luxury electric vehicles.